the Mercer Renaissance 8-inch chef's knife. Yes, I'm so excited to talk about this knife. I've been testing it out for 13 months at this point. And yeah, I have some thoughts about this knife. So the first thing I will say about Mercer is that it is quite a famous brand and they have knives in different price classes. I've seen them all the way down to like, I think $13. Obviously, that's going to be an entirely different quality than what you get here. This is a forged blade that is definitely higher quality than that. However, let's talk about it. I think this one was about $37 or something like that, but I've seen it range all the way up to $50 there for this particular knife. So anyway, first experience with this knife, it came in beautiful packaging as I would expect from Mercer at this price point. Opening it up, I saw no production faults at all with this knife, no scuff marks or anything, so it came nicely through the mail. Pulling the knife out of its packaging, the very first thing I noticed was how light it was. I mean, like I said, this is a forged blade, like full tang construction, but still it feels so light in the hand. It's frankly weird how light it feels compared to some of these other knives in the same price class that is of similar build and quality. And as for the handle, it is plastic. It gets a little bit slippery, but it sits nicely in my hand. I have a very average sized hand, especially for how big I am. It does get a little bit slippery if you get like slime and blood and that type of stuff on it. But overall, the handle, it's good. It looks a little bit square, but it's rounded off in the corners, so it's more comfortable to hold, unlike some other knives. Psst, gods! Anyway, upon first testing this knife, it's super sharp, as I would expect. It's high carbon German steel, yeah. Cuts through everything without any issues. It has held up super well between sharpenings as well. It's a really nice knife. Like, this blade is like, it's so average. That's how I would put it. It is like so average. There is absolutely nothing wrong with this knife. It works fine for everything. It's like rounded off. It feels good in the hand. You can use it in various ways. You can pinch grip it if you want to. It feels good to like chop up like herbs and stuff. Sits good in the hand, like I said. Is it the one that I would take to like the boathouse or something? No, it's absolutely not. I'm pretty sure this one will start rusting as well. I have a strong feeling about it. Anyway, yeah, no bells and whistles to it. It's just a good overall knife. Now, at the price point of like $37 upwards of $50, is it the best knife in the price class? Maybe. It's kind of hard to call, but what I'm going to do here next is I'm going to look through all these knives and I'm going to find the best use cases for them, find out which one is the best value for the money. So I'm going to link that video up here next that you can check out by tapping here right now. If you just love this Mercer knife and you just want to purchase it now, I'll also add some links in the video description and pinned comment over to Amazon. Those will be paid links, so you do support my work if you do use those at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you over in that big comparison video here.